Alright guys, I got the auxiliary input and Bluetooth working somewhat all completed. I'm toying around the idea of using this thing. I'd have to trim it and it'll fit in there, but then I'd have to trim here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, but it's a nice little thing. It came from Amazon. It's got like a socket, for your charger, and then it also has USB. Maybe I'll make a panel of my own. I don't know. I'm still gonna think about that. Maybe I'll just not use the panel and just tuck this inside there, and then it's totally wireless and visible. But this is just a little Bluetooth adapter, and what I could do instead of using this, if I wanted to, is just go from here right to the tablet. There's a headphone jack there, and it would be direct, but then you'd have a wire. Same thing, anything. That's what's nice about this, is you can just unplug this and plug your friend's phone in or whatever if there's something they want to listen to, or just the Bluetooth too. I mean, whatever you want to do. This is still the old radio. I got a new one, and I plugged it in and none of the lights worked. It was supposedly refurbished. The only thing wrong with this one, this is the one the guy repaid me my money for, is when you turn it on, look, only half the lights work. I don't know why, but this side of the radio doesn't light up. I don't know. I looked, and you can replace the bulbs, but some people say that they're soldered in, so I might look into that. I don't know. But yeah, I got it in, got it working, and what's pretty neat is this is, again, it's an FM transmitter, so you gotta put it on a certain station. I chose the 87.9. I just put that here, so that's the Bluetooth music playing right from the radio, from the tablet, because I have the tablet connected via Bluetooth. And then if you want to listen to the radio, you just change the station, and there we go. This is the radio. And the tape deck also works, I believe. Let me see if we got some old Michael Jackson tape. See if this bad boy works, just to be weird. Look at that, Michael Jackson, baby. And then the radio works. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or whatever, and I'll talk to you soon.